the indicator of life. You've kissed my cheeks, you've enabled the door squeaks. You've been present everywhere, you are the one whom we share. You are over me, you are beneath me, you are beside me, you're joyous singing your own tune. You form the sand dune. You bring with you the fragrance of the rose. You are the one who gently tickles my toes. You are the one who unfurls my locks. You are the one who refreshes my vision. You are the kindest. You can be felt by the blind in the manner that's the brightest. Who's helped the birds to fly? Who's helped me exist? Who's helped those trees sway? Who spread the fragrance of the flowers? Who's comforted me when the sun was rude? Who's accompanied the rains? It is you, the air. It is you who cares. It is you who's wiped my tears.